Hi guys, we are flooring surgeons and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we will show you how to clean and maintain any types of flooring so your house will always look clean and fresh. Before we dive into specific, let's talk about some cleaning products that work on most types of flooring. You can use a neutral pH cleaner or a mild dish soap with some warm water. Avoid harsh chemicals like bleach as they can damage the finish on many floors. A microfiber mop or soft broom is also a good universal tool that works across most surfaces without scratching them. When it comes to cleaning, it depends on the type of floor you have and the amount of traffic it sees. High traffic areas like kitchens and hallways should be swept and vacuumed daily, with deeper cleaning once a week. Bedrooms and living rooms can usually get by with weekly vacuuming or sweeping and a deeper clean every 2 to 3 weeks. Laminate flooring is durable but not waterproof, so you need to be careful with water. Sweep or vacuum regularly to remove dust and dirt. When mopping, use a damp microfiber mop with a laminate safe cleaner. Avoid soaking the floor as too much moisture can cause the laminate to warp. Engineered wood is more resistant to moisture than solid wood, but it still needs care. Vacuum or sweep frequently to remove dirt that could scratch the surface. For mopping, use a slightly damp microfiber mop and a cleaner specifically made for wood floors. Avoid steam cleaners as they can damage the layers of engineered wood. Solid wood flooring needs extra attention to maintain its natural beauty. Dust or sweep daily to prevent scratches. When it's time for a deeper cleaning, use a wood floor cleaner and a damp mop. Never use water directly on solid wood as it can cause the wood to swell or crack. Also, avoid steam mops for the same reason. LVT, or also known as vinyl flooring, is one of the easiest types of floor to clean. Sweep or vacuum regularly to remove dirt and grit. Use a damp mop with a vinyl-friendly cleaner for a deeper cleaning. Vinyl can handle water better than wood or laminate, but avoid using abrasive scrubbers that can scratch the surface. Carpet requires different care to hardwood floors. Vacuum carpets at least once a week, and more often in high traffic areas. For spills, blot immediately with a clean cloth and use a carpet cleaner or a mixture of dish soap and water. Consider professional deep cleaning every 12 to 18 months to keep your carpet in top shape. No matter what floor you have, using the right product and cleaning regularly will make a huge difference on how good your floor look and how long they will last. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe and leave a like. See you later. Hi guys, we are flooring surgeons and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to cover how and maintain any types of flooring so your home will always look clean and better. In this video we will show you how to maintain. Before we dive into specifics, let's talk about some. No matter what type of flooring you have, the easy mop. No matter what type of flooring you have, following this. No matter what type of flooring you have, using the right product. No matter what floor you have, cleaning regularly and using the right product will help flooring. These tips can make you